In this example, we'll see we have a Smith IAM user, and we'll give IAM policy that grants full access to all S3 bucket in the region AP South. We'll ask to ChatGPT to create IAM policy for Smith. Write an IAM policy. Write IAM policy, full access S3 for region AP South 1. AP South 1. Now you can see over here, ChatGPT has been created the policy. So in this policy, grants full access to all S3 actions for any bucket in the AP South region. AP South region is the condition for this IAM policy. Now let's copy the code and go to the Smith IAM user. Currently Smith don't have any policy. You can see over here. Now let's give him access. We'll go to the add permission, create inline policy. Go to the JSON. We have 3 options. We'll go to the JSON. There we can paste the script. So existing one we have to delete first. Control A and delete. Now paste it over here. Let's go to the next and give the policy name Smith S3 bucket. So Smith S3 bucket is our policy name. Everything is fine. Let's create policy. Policy has been created for Smith. Now we'll see the security credential and copy the console link. Go to the incognito, copy paste the IAM URL login. Now you can see our account ID is Smith and password. Go to the S3. You can search from here, search bar, or you also make favorite. Let's go and see. Now you can see AP South East 1, Singapore Asia Pacific. You can see over here insufficient permission. AP South, he can do anything because we have given the full access. For other regions, insufficient access, insufficient permission. So now our script is working. Create bucket. We'll give bucket name first, demo S3 lab, and we will select different region for testing purpose, whether he is able to access, whether he is able to create bucket for other region or not. We'll go with the default setting, bucket versioning, encryption. We are not going to do anything. We'll go with default. Now we got some error. Let's see the error. Bucket with same name already exists. So bucket should be globally unique. because buckets are globally we are keeping unique. You can see over here, to create a bucket S3 permission is required. So we don't have permission other than AP South one. Let's create for AP South one. Select AP South one. And let's create the bucket. Now successfully created bucket, and we can see the bucket name here, demo 11. Let's upload one file to check. See over here, ChatGPT is helping us to write a IAM script, IAM policy script.